All right, this is cabin 6327 on Carnival Radiance. It's a 6C balcony cabin. Fairly standard for a Carnival balcony cabin if you've ever cruised in a balcony cabin before. This is one of the refurnished ones from the conversion from the Victory to the Radiance. So not too many bells and whistles in this one. But if you haven't cruised in a balcony before, first time you're seeing one maybe. There's a sofa there, there's your bed, lights up against the bed. There's your TV. As far as power goes, you've got one there for your shaver, and then you've got a couple of regular power outlets there. And by the phone, there's a couple of USB ports. Here's your cupboard space, and there's your fridge. Wrong side, wrong side. You can do it, wrong side. Work it out. There you go. Put no, there you go. There's your fridge. So there's three of these cupboards with plenty of space to hang things and storage space, as well as a few little drawers by where the phone and that is. There's another one. And then there's one on the end that will also have your life jackets and your safe. Always make sure your life jackets are in the room. The last one just has some shelving, life jackets, and up above the safe. Now the safe in this cabin is one of the old slide safes. In the new cabins, they have keyboard safes from what I saw. So if you see a keyboard safe on a room tour on this one, don't expect it to be in every cabin, just the new ones that they added in the conversion. And here is your balcony. Again, fairly standard Carnival balcony. So a very nice room, plenty of space to store things, comfortable, plenty of storage. Don't forget you can put your cases under the bed. And there you go. And on the wall, we're going to show you in a second, they have a thermometer. Don't forget about that too. Cabin 6327 Carnival Radiance. Any questions? Email me anytime. cruisingsuitguy@gmail.com. I promise I'll reply as soon as possible. Want to book a cruise or any type of travel? We are travel agents. Check out our site, elitetravelconnection.com, or email me, Mick, at elitetravelconnection.com. We are here for you. Finally, subscribe, please. Pretty please. You know you want to. Go on. I won't beg you. Okay, I'm begging. Please. Subscribe. Thank you.